In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word outline into a PowerPoint presentation in just a few minutes. This can be a real game changer if you're looking to streamline your workflow, especially when dealing with content that's already structured in Word. So, let's get started and transform your Word document into a dynamic presentation. First things first, we'll need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. To do this, simply click on the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, you can find Microsoft PowerPoint and open it up. Once PowerPoint is launched, you'll have the option to either open an existing presentation or create a brand new one. For our purposes today, you can choose either option, but be sure to have some of your content ready if you're starting fresh. This means adding any necessary photos, tables, or any other content you want included to complement your Word outline. Once you've got your presentation open and your additional content in place, direct your attention to the Home tab situated near the top of your screen. You'll see a new slide drop-down arrow. Click on it. This drop-down menu provides several options, but the one we're interested in is labeled Slides from Outline. Clicking on this will signal PowerPoint to prepare to insert a Word outline. After selecting Slides from Outline, a dialog box will appear. This dialog box is essentially your tool to locate the Word document you want to convert. Navigate through your files, find the specific Word document that contains your outline, and then click on Insert. Now, PowerPoint takes the reins and begins converting the outline from your Word document into slides. Depending on how lengthy and detailed your document is, this might take a little bit of time. Don't worry if it seems to be taking a while. It's simply ensuring that all your content is appropriately divided into slides. Once the conversion is complete, you'll want to review the new presentation that PowerPoint has created for you. It's not uncommon to see that the first slide is blank, which happens because PowerPoint often reserves that for a title slide. If you see this blank slide and it doesn't serve any purpose for your presentation, go ahead and delete it. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Word outline into a PowerPoint presentation. It's a simple process that saves you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus more on refining your content rather than on manual slide creation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your productivity.